What is Industry 4.0 in 5 minutes or less? To understand Industry 4.0, we need to go back to what is Industry 1.0. And that was defined by the invention of the first machine back in 1784. And that machine was powered by water and steam. Moving forward, Industry 2.0 was defined in 1870 by the invention of the mass production or assembly line. It was then later perfected by Henry Ford in 1913. Then the third industrial revolution was defined in 1969 by the invention of the first programmable logic controller, a computer to control the machine. That defined a massive stage or timeline of automation. And then today, Industry 4.0 was born, and it is believed that Germany was the country to coin the term Industry 4.0. And in very simple terms, is the capability to connect people, process, and machine. Let's take a look at the framework or structure of an ecosystem defined by Industry 4.0. It all starts with the customer, with the mass customization options that customers will have by consuming connected products and services. Internet of Things defines that capability, and that provides a unique insight to customer needs and wants, and then that triggers the fundamental core of manufacturing, which is transforming goods and services into products that customers want, with that tremendous insight of individualization. In these manufacturing systems, you have sensors, you have interconnected systems, machine-to-machine connection, but you also have people-to-people connection. Then you have the input of manufacturing, what's going to be transformed. So you have new advanced materials like nanotechnology, you have additive manufacturing like 3D printing, creating prototypes and parts at tremendous speed and cost. You have collaborative robots like cobots, robots that are working safely side by side with humans. And then you have autonomous vehicles, especially moving materials and products from one side to the other. The massive amount of data produced by sensors, interactions, data acquisition has to be somewhere. And this is where the cloud serves as a tremendous capability to build the data lakes. But having your data and your capabilities online creates the need to have cybersecurity protocols. And then finally, big data serves as a way to filter signal from noise. Having a big data lake is not useful. Finding the right information for the right stakeholder at the right time for the decision making, that's what's valuable with data. And then artificial intelligence comes to automate a lot of processes, like automating frontline work in the case of Andonix. Then your goal in Industry 4.0 is to have green manufacturing facilities. The key is zero carbon emissions, so we can be sustainable for the environment. And then if you take this ecosystem and you transform that into what the supply chain looks like, you basically have a system of systems, and that's how the supply chain will look like. So this is Industry 4.0 in 5 minutes or less. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you.